Mga mga tropa pets. Ba na ba? Ba dito par ba? Oh shit, ang lakas. Are you okay, Rashid? Ang tropa, dito kami, naglalakad kami sa ilog. We are walking in the river. What happened, UAE? What happened to you? Oh no! Oh, it's getting higher. Oh shit! Wow! Shit! It's like this also in Uganda. Uganda, it's not like always raining, huh? It's very hot there, huh?
They put on drainage system.
Oh shit! This is the problem, oh. They make the wave. That's why it's hard for us to work.
But in Uganda, we put drainage system.
Oy guys! Uy, putang ina! Pag na-upload ko to, buhay pa ako! Take care, ha? Guys, pag na-upload ko to, ibig sabihin, I'm alive!